Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to check RAM usage in Windows 11. It's gonna be very easy and simple tutorial. So first, in your desktop, you can go to your task manager. You can just search it in the search box, task manager. This one, you can click on it to open it. And then you will see the details or the menus in the task managers. And then you can go to performance here. And now you can see you can check the CPU, the memory. This is the RAM, the memory. And as you can see, this is my RAM usage. It's almost it's 62%. And then this is the details of all of it. There is 6 gigs available and other stuff here, the speed, and then the slot use and other stuff here. You can check it. So I think that's it, how to check your RAM usage in your Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.